What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. We just filled up a 2018 Panini Spectra football one-box break, random number block number 5. So 10 total spots, randomized list of customer names and the numbers. Everybody will get a random number block. Arthur, customer in the YouTube stream, bought out the break, so pretty much a personal box, which my price is pretty solid, guys. Spectra has gone up, right? Price is a little bit pricier now, so buying out a break like this is a pretty good price. So Arthur, there you go, man. Appreciate it. So no need to randomize the list of customer names and teams. Only need to randomize the boxes available. Half a case through. 4 boxes available. Box 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's quickly just randomize the list of numbers. Arthur hoping for a 3. Hopefully I can get that for you, man. And Joe P comes in and says, share the wealth, Arthur. Alright. Out of 8 boxes available, let's just do it that way. If it takes too long, then we'll go 1 through 5, but just keep it the same way. 3! Wow, look at that! Wow! He put 3, please. Coming in on the random 3. There you go. Wow, it's meant to be. There you go. So there you go. Hey, you got the box you wanted, so it all worked out. 2, 3. There you go, man. All right. Good luck. Put these right here. Oh, this guy over here greedy. There, you got a box, man. Go there first. Alright, first one is a John Lynch. Wow, what a nice color. Look at that. What is this? A 3 of 4. Nice. This is actually a cool little color background. There you go. Start off the break at 3 of 4. Solid. We have rising rookie Nick Chubb. Tie-dye, that's right, yeah. Although the tie-dyes look a little different. 683 of 99. Yeah, I think it is a tie-dye, but like, you know, usually the tie-dyes are other colors. This is like purple, green, blue. I mean, it's usually like red, yellow, something like that, right? I think in Phoenix they have tie-dyes. We got a Catalyst, Christian McCaffrey. That is 119 of 199. Is it marble? Yeah, Arthur probably knows this stuff. It's like his favorite product. Alright, and we got a rookie patch autograph, Kiki Kuti? Keiki? Green ink, 13 of 60. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? There you go, man. Alright, next one. Alright, we got, for the Broncos, Case Keenum. We got rising rookie, Calvin Ridley. 157 of 199. You know, that's Joe P song right there. That's how he knows it right there, the lyrics. We got a Deshaun Watson Catalyst. 106 of 199. What's up with them Texans, though, man? Texans on the longest losing streak in the NFL right now. Like 9 games. I think ever since Deshaun Watson went down last year, they hadn't won. And then the first 3 games of this year, haven't won anything. And we got, for the Cardinals, Chandler Jones. That is 34 of 50. Little expatriate, right? Cardinals mojo. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Oh, you like Chandler Jones? Alright, Odell Beckham. 2 of 99. How about them Cardinals? I thought the Cardinals were going to win last night. Ooh, look at that. Speaking of Cardinals, little John Rosen. Building blocks. 6 of 25. We got a jumbo Rashard Penny monumental patch. 1 of 15. I know Arthur should be rooting for the Cardinals. Alright, and we got a Super Bowl. Look at Mike Allstott. Super Bowl champion signatures. Tampa Bay Buccaneers. On card as well. 79 of 99. That is sweet. I like that Spectra did a lot of on cards in this year's as well. This dude was a beast. Look at that guy. That's nice. Alright, down to the last pack, brother. Good luck. Hate when the die cuts are in here. Kind of hard to get the rest of the cards, but I got it. I got it. Alright, we got Julio Jones. 8 of 20. Sean Alexander, that's a name I hadn't heard in a while. Sean Alexander for the Seahawks. Remember that one year, guys, like in 06, 07, when he had that rushing record, touchdowns? 5 of 35. Sunday Spectacle. Kenny Golladay with beating the Patriots last night. How that crazy is that? 99 of 199. Matt Patricia, ex-team, came prepared and beat the Patriots. Couldn't beat a rookie quarterback in the Jets and Sam Darnold, but beat the defending AFC champions, New England Patriots. Then again, the Patriots defense is not as good as it was the years before. Alright, guys, and we got... Hey, look at this! Aspiring rookie patch autograph, Saquon Barkley. $18 of 20. He signs at SB? I thought his autograph would be nicer than that. That's a nice one, brother. Well, there you go, man. Nice box. Saquon Barkley, big hit, guys. There still has to be something else hiding in there, though, guys. You got to think, man. One of these quarterbacks has to pop up right here. So get the next one going, guys, if you guys are down. I'll put it up. Only 10 spots. 1 in 10 chance to claim all hits. Or you could be like Arthur and just buy out the whole break and get yourself a personal. Babe, but nice break, man. Thank you, Arthur. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys.